Warning, an error has occurred to the site room. Meowytoons, come.
Oh, 100%. What time is it now? It's 17:22. I think it's Oh no! I turned it off. F H O N. Oh no! The password is incorrect. Whew. 1, 2, 3. Whoa. Oh no. The phone exploded.
Your flower wall almost fell. I am saying there's a way to speak to people. And there's a way to do your job. And maybe you find somebody else to do it. You're quitting. I am finding out before I say something that your father did not pay for.
Tina, let's just take a deep breath.
I've been taking deep breaths since 8 a.m. I'm sorry, Robert. I can't do this. If you're arriving, what are we gonna... I know the schedule. I know that this is how it is to be moved from the window. I know that these candles move straight under them before the wash.
Okay.
And you see the DJ table.
Let's do the lasso.
And the flower wall next to the top. You know how they live in blend. Fine. Take over from me now. But one mistake. And you're gone.
Hey, you don't have to do this.
The party's still a Mayfield.
Start with orange.
I'm so sorry, Adelina. I mean, she's just so stressed out with this school stuff. But that's no excuse.
I know.
You know, you
And
just so easy for
fill.
the guests to arrive. I'll take care of all of this.
Oh my god!
You really think and expect
What just happened?
not to hurt?
She's angry.
She has every right to be. I think someone just threw her away.
I never told her anything.
Anything and expect her really not to hurt?
She's angry.
She has every right
do you
think someone just threw her away?
I never told her anything.
Select. Draw the pattern.
Roll.